Gravity. Every piece of matter has gravity. Any matter, all matter, doesn't matter what matter. Air molecules, water molecules, earth, wind, and fire molecules. The gravity of a piece of matter pulls on the other matter around it. The larger the mass, or amount of matter, the object has, the stronger the gravitational pull. The Earth is a very large piece of matter, so it has a very strong gravitational pull. Gravity pulls our atmosphere, our oceans, and us towards the center of the Earth. There's a famous experiment by Galileo Galilei that showed that gravity pulls on objects of different weights equally. His experiment was to drop two cannonballs of unequal weight at the same time. In this case, we'll be using a ping pong ball and a hacky sack, but the concept remains the same. See, they fell at the same speed.
Mr. Paterson!
Jared, a word?
He's the
I
only person who
refuse
can...
to work with Galileo.
His
It's the
name
only thing
is
in my contract.
Galileo.
I
It's
just
your
can't.
first video.
Fine,
It's not
fine,
gonna be
fine,
perfect.
Mr. Paterson, I have a question.
Yes, Galileo.
You said that all objects fall at the same speed, but when I drop this piece of paper and hammer, the hammer hits the ground first. Why's that?
That's a good question. In this case, the paper is falling slower because of air resistance, but if we were on another planetary body with no air resistance, for example, the moon, the objects would fall at the same speed.
How about that?
Even on other planets, gravity behaves exactly the same, just proportionally to the size of the planet. On the moon, 1/4 of Earth's size, astronauts are able to leap and bound effortlessly. But if they were on a large planet, like HD 100546b, almost 7 times the size of Jupiter, your experience would be much more like this.
Mr. Paterson, what's an orbit?
Well, Galileo, an orbit is the curved path of an object around another object that is caused by both objects' combined gravitational pull.
Like the moon around the Earth?
Exactly.
Or the Earth around the sun?
Correct.
Or our solar system around the center of the Milky Way galaxy?
Yes, actually.
Or the entire Milky Way galaxy around? Does the Milky Way galaxy orbit around anything, Mr. Paterson?
No.
But all the planets in our solar system orbit around the sun. Because it's so big, right?
Yup.
Do they all orbit at the same speed?
Not quite. The closer a planet is to the sun, the stronger the gravitational pull and the faster it goes. The further it is from the sun, the weaker the gravitational pull and the slower it goes.
Wow. Pluto must be super slow.
You got it. Whereas here on Earth, a year, or one orbit around the sun, is about 365 days, a year on Pluto would be about 90,600 Earth days, or about 248 Earth years.
Wow. I would not want to live on that planet, Mr. Paterson.
Well, Pluto's not a planet.
What?
Pluto is a dwarf planet.
Offensive, Mr. Paterson.
Who hired him?
Well, I don't give a